Hello everyone, welcome to Longze Machinery. Today I'm going to introduce to you our big capacity wood pellet machine, the model number XGJ850. Behind me you can see that this is the machine. We fit this machine with a 220 kilowatts electric motor and 3 rollers inside, and the big size stainless steel ring die. This pellet machine, you can see that the size is quite big, and the capacity for this one is 2.5 to 3.5 ton per hour. The whole unit of the pellet machine, it has the automatic lubricating pump, the dust collector, the PLC touchscreen electric control panel. With all these equipments, it will work with many kinds of raw materials like wood sawdust, straw materials. So if you are going to build a large pallet plant, you can use this large type wood pellet machine. If you have some more inquiry, please contact us. We will give you the solution for the whole production pallet line. We will give you the professional the layout drawing and the best after sales service. Hope you like our Longze pellet machine. We will see you next time.